Good morning. It is Sunday the 20th-ish of July 2025. So last night we spent the night at Widecombe car parky thing. I'm not sure what it is actually called because it's two car parks. Not the one with the cafe, but it's the one with a little hut thing that sells snacks. Anyway, so we spent the night there with Helen, and it rained all night and we woke up to rain, but now it's sunny. So we are just going to drive up to, oh look at that look. We are going to drive up to Haytor Rocks, park in that car park because we had no internet where we were last night, so we're going to park up in that car park just to assess what we're going to do. We had planned to walk Haytor and all that jazz, so I don't know whether we are still. If it stops raining we can still do it, can't we?
Yeah, because it'll be dry and dry out really quick.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. Ooh! Take it that was a branch.
Tree.
Okay, so we have decided to walk up Haytor and see just how far we get, really. Rain has stopped, but I don't think it's going to be stopped for long. But here's the view from the car park. So we've got to pay, I think it was something like £2. Don't quote me on that. So that's Haytor up there. Over in the middle of the screen now, that is Saddle Tor. Can't remember what that one is up there. We've parked there. So there's a whatchamacallit thing here. So Sheldon is out there to see. Jurassic Coast is really far away somewhere. Maybe over there, I don't know. I have no idea. Anyway.
There's a really void coming down the rock, and it was
so we've got Grey Tor Rocks and Hound Tor Rocks, and there's a medieval village, abandoned medieval village down there between them, isn't it? Right. Hey? No, we've just come to the right. So this is, I think, Holwell Quarry. My map app on my phone stopped working because I've got no internet. But there's quite a lot of sheep shits everywhere. I'm just going to go and stand in it. Yeah, it could be rabbits, maybe. I don't know, actually. It is, isn't it? Too big, round and brown. There we go. You heard it here first. A little bit of a pondy thing in the middle, down there. I feel a bit overdressed now, but there are some black clouds. I've got my waterproof, so I'm boiling hot. Haytor is just up there. Right, so there is the entrance to that quarry, but we're not going up there. And there's some tramline thingies now that we're on. And I'm assuming it's a spoil tip at the end, I don't know. It's got some clouds. Okay, you can see the tram lines where they split, going that way or that way. there's the tram line, the rail, the actual rail bit down there then. Go that way. Okay, so that quarry up there, in there, that I said was, I've forgotten. What did I say? Holwell Quarry. It's not Holwell Quarry. It's just a quarry. It doesn't say what it is on the map. So we are going that way. Can we go that way? Up there. So we were on that little outcrop just now. We've come down. We've got to the tramway. Has it got a name, this tramway? Haytor Tramway, isn't it? Yeah. So that's Holwell Tor there. But it has just started raining. I don't know if it stopped actually. Yeah. So we're going that way for a minute. Yeah. Just sheltering under this tree. Yeah. Okay. Okay, go on.
You can see on the granite sets there, the cartwheels would have been on the outside rather than sat on top like a railway line. And hopefully we'll see some later. There's points where the tracks meet.
Is that it?
That's it.
Okay, thanks.
So the horses used to pull carts from the quarries up here, down round the corner, and on a slow incline all the way down the hill, where it met the Stover Canal, where they transferred all the stone into the barges, and then took it down to the River Tean through Stover Country Park and that way.
So Helen's now going to demonstrate being a horse pulling a cart.
Oh, no.
Well,
The camera and you can do it.
Wolfie can be the horse and Helen can be the cart.
Can't believe she's fallen for it. She's doing it, isn't she?
Yeah.
She's fallen for it. She actually thinks she's actually a horse and cart.
Yes.
Yeah.
They're good.
Stop now. Okay, Haytor behind and the little quarry. I don't know if you can see that. So we've walked up this little path. We're nearly at the top of Holwell Tor. So that little pile of rocks, oh, can't see, hopefully in the middle of the screen, I think that's Black Tor. Don't quote me on that though. Right, so we're now at the top of Holwell Tor. There's a quarry the other side of it somewhere, which I'm assuming is Holwell Quarry. Little bit of rain again. Hey? Can't hear what you're saying. Great big drop. Ooh. Whew. Blimey. Wow. Yeah, a little bit closer to Grey Tor Rocks and Hound Tor now, which we did for maybe a year ago, maybe? I don't know. With the little medieval village. We're walking down the other side of wherever it is, Holwell Tor, and we're going to join the tramway down there and walk up it, I think. So we have joined the tram, the other bit of the tramway, haven't we? Yes. Where? Oh yeah, there's the points amongst the water. So where would it have gone off then? So if you've got your main one here, but the other one you can't really see. Because surely it would be going downhill. Don't know. Some more points. So that I think is Holwell Quarry in there, and I think we were just up there, and I've just seen the big black cloud over there. Probably coming our way. So hot. No, we're looking for a beehive hut. It's so hot. Okay, just made my way down to the beehive hut. So, why is it called a beehive hut? You don't know. Did they keep bees in there?
I don't think so. I bet it's just a shelter for the quarry manager, I bet. Or...
So maybe if you go in it... No, listen, hear me out. If you go in it, you turn into a bee.
Oh yeah.
So if you go in it a person, and then you come out buzzing like a bee.
Don't think so.
I think you should try.
Okay,
I'm going in. I'm going to see if I turn into a bee. Oh, something's happening. Oh. Huh. But I've already been in, I'm already a bee now.
No, we haven't seen you coming out doing your bee impression. Come on. You might need to do these stupid.
Right, we're going back the same way from hence we came. Is that a phrase? I was like, whence we came. Hence whence. I would. And there's the car park, where the nook is just hidden behind Baz. There's another little car park just down there, and then just over there you can see a car park with a little building. That is a visitor centre, I think.